Classy Claws, another video. This is, oh sorry, that's my dog again barking, I'm really sorry. This is one of the Ibiza sets. I told you I was doing 5 sets, so you've seen one. This is the second set. Now this one she wanted nice, bright and pink. So we went for Flamingo and what else did we use? Amore, that was it. Flamingo and Amore. And then I used some glitter, which is the Lotus from the Indian Summer collection from the Glitter Fairy. And then I'd used a fine glitter, which is called Rose Pink Iridescent, but I couldn't tell you where it's from. And also some of the angel thread. I don't know if any of you have ever used it, but it's like a material, and you just cut a piece and stick it on top of your wet acrylic, let it dry and then cut it off and then encapsulate it. This one, it's from Glitter Arty Nails, and it's strawberry. And I've not used the pink one before. I usually use the vanilla, but it was really nice in this set. Obviously, I've done all of my prep as usual, and I've put my tips on. I've dehydrated and primed the nail, and then I've gone in with, on the pinky finger there, you can see the Flamingo, and then I've gone over the top with the fine iridescent pink glitter. This nail that's got the reverse application is going to have the other glitter, the Lotus, on the tip. And then I think we do a marble nail, and then the angel thread nail, and then maybe an ombre. I can't really remember, to be honest. You know what my memory's like. But I'll leave you to watch anyway. I don't film any filing, as you know, because it's really boring. And then I just use my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So I hope you enjoy. Thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in my next one, which will be on in about 5 minutes after this one. All right, speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye. Bye bye. Sorry, there is no marble on this nail. I've just watched it back a little bit, and it's just ombre and the other designs that I've done. No marbling, sorry. But I think there's marbling on the... no, there isn't. There isn't one on the next one. I've done it already. Okay, thank you. Bye.